Learn how to make grilled potato wedges.
Hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make grilled potato wedges using just a few spices. So I use chili powder, garlic salt, and pepper. So this recipe is really easy. One of the secrets is to boil the potatoes before grilling them, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Here we go.
To make grilled potato wedges, you want to leave the skin on the potatoes, but it's important to thoroughly wash the outside of the potatoes. I like to use both sweet potatoes and red potatoes, but you could use russet or Yukon Gold or any other variety that you like. After you chop off the imperfect parts of the potato, you need to boil the potatoes for 17 minutes in salt water on the stove. This is important, and you don't want them to be too mushy, so you can easily dice them up after. Once the boiled potatoes are already diced up into some wedges, you add the oil and the salt and pepper and the chili powder mixture. Toss those together, and then you're ready to throw them on the grill. So to get grilling, you want to have the grill set to about 400 degrees. That's a medium flame, and you don't have to be seeing the flame directly on the potatoes for them to get nice and heated up. So you're going to put the oiled up potatoes on the grill. You're going to cover the grill for about 5 minutes, flip them over, and as you see, there are those beautiful, beautiful marks from the grill grates. So you want to flip them over and do the other side for another 5 minutes. When they're done, they should look exactly like this. You'll want to maybe take one or two off to sample and then set them out on a plate. Now, it's best not to layer them too thick on the plate. You might just want to put one layer of potatoes so they don't steam and get mushy. But these grilled potato wedges should stay nice and crisp for you. To finish, I like to use a little bit of fresh cilantro, but you could use parsley or chives or anything else that you have in your fridge. And I also like to eat these with honey mustard, but you could make a cheese dip or serve them with just ketchup mixed with sriracha sauce or anything that you like.
Well, I hope that you enjoy your delicious grilled potato wedges. They're so easy to throw on the grill when you're out there making some burgers or grilling up some veggies or kebabs. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and check out Sip Bite Go for other delicious grilling recipes to make this summer. Hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers!